Arty Mouse is the mouse that helps preschool children learn colors and shapes and helps them in developing literacy. The drawing game is simple and demanding at the same time. It is intended for children from 3 to 6 years of age and has 2 ways of playing it, an easier and a more difficult one. Let's see how it's played. Every child gets their own right-delete base. Then select a card with a drawing. The goal of the game is to draw the same image with the same colors. Next, the children also draw cards with characters that determine which character to draw. The winner is the child who completes their drawing first. And because 5 and 6-year-olds need an additional challenge, we also added a die to the game. Now the die determines the color that the child uses to draw a character. But if the color doesn't match the original, they get fewer points. So what now? Well, that's already a matter of strategy.